Hi there, my name is Tran and I'm a proud millennial homeowner in my community of Dorchester. I want to show off my beautiful solar panel. I'm super proud of these panels because I knew I wanted to go solar but didn't know the steps, all the paperwork. That is until I came across EnergySage online, this incredible free resource that provided me tools, options, guidance to work with the best company that will fit my needs and finances. All the advisors are incredibly knowledgeable and caring, and they answer all my questions in a timely fashion. I can't recommend EnergySage enough. They're helping me so much with my electricity bill. I'm also helping to preserve the planet, also future generations to come. And please check them out. And last but not least, I'm not a cat, and here's one.